Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to show you this brand new GT106 smartwatch. So as you can see, we have the smartwatch right here in front of us. So the GT106 has a 1.28 inch full touch screen and a battery starting from 200 mAh. So this battery will charge in 2 hours, and in a normal use it will last 3 to 5 days. In the GT106 we have different options like steps, distance, calories, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and different sport modes. This smartwatch is made from zinc alloy, steel and rubber bands. It's very thin and practical to use. So we will demonstrate all of these options that I said in this video, so stick around and see how these options works. We are going to do some tests and we will test this smartwatch, see what we got more from the GT106. Let's go ahead, start unboxing and see what we got more from this smartwatch. So now that we know what we have here in this smartwatch, let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. So as you can see, we have here smartwatch Wear Fit. As you can see, we have the standby dial here, 45mm, Bluetooth 5.0, and we have a graphite of the smartwatch itself. We have here for Android 4.4 and above, also iOS 8.4 and above. We have the QR code to scan to download the app, which we are going to show you how to connect it in the next video. And the side we have Wear Fit 2.0. We have long standby, waterproof and sports support. Let's go ahead, give it a shake so we can take the cap off, and immediately we can see the watch right here. Let's go ahead, open this up. We have here now the watch. Let's put it here and see what we got in this box. So we have two boxes. In this one we have the charger, as you can see right here. It's not the longest, but enough for this smartwatch to charge. In the next box we have the user manual. And in case we need anything to see or to read about this smartwatch, we have here all the languages that this smartwatch supports. Let's put everything away and go to the smartwatch itself. Let's go ahead, power it on. We have here the first page. As you can see, we have this beautiful face of the smartwatch. We can see the heart rate. We have percentage of battery and we have steps. As you saw, we have now different faces. We can change it just by pressing it and holding it. It will vibrate to tell you that now it's ready to change faces. As you can see, we have this beautiful face right here. Let's go ahead and see the other ones. So we saw we have 5 or 6 different ones. We're going to change it to this and it looks way cooler. As you can see, this smartwatch also has this problem that keeps shutting down immediately, and you don't have any time screen or anything else to change it, so we have to deal with it. As you can see in the left, we have messages. Up we have a taskbar with some options. As you can see, we have torch, vibration, do not disturb, brightness, and we have here standby dial. Down we have the menu. In the right side we have steps, kilometers and burned calories. Let's go to the menu, see what we got. As you can see, we have messages, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, sleep and sport. In the second page we have browser we have the shooter camera, weather, alarm clock and stopwatch. We have music and search. So you can see this smartwatch is pretty simple, so it's very easy to use from everybody. Let's go ahead and test these options that we saw and try what we have here and try these options. As you can see, we have now here the watch in our hand. It says good, it's very flat and it looks really good. Let's go now to the settings down here, and we have heart rate first, so let's go ahead test that. As you can see, we have a very beautiful theme of heart rate going while it's testing. And we have now the result here. As you can see, that's not too bad. That wasn't too fast, but not slow either. Let's go now to the blood pressure and test that as well. And we have final results, you can see right here in the bottom, and I like it. I like this theme of the measurements that is going, very colorful and very good. Let's go to the blood oxygen now. Let's test that as well. You can see now the percentage of blood oxygen. Honestly, these results are really good. Not too fast, but that's okay. Let's go now to the sports. As you can see, we have here different sports, starting from running, cycling, walking. We have basketball, football and badminton. Let's go for walking. And as you can see, immediately when you touch it, it will start the seconds. In the bottom here we have heart rate, steps and burned calories. I don't think we have anything else to test here in the sports. Let's test one more time. We have here running, and these works perfect. All of these are working really good. So guys, this was all for today's video unboxing this smartwatch. If you find this video interesting, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.